Hi everybody. Okay, so I am going to give you a nice tour of the playroom, totally organized. It feels so nice. Let me show you the before, because it was a disaster. Let me see your cute clubhouse. Whoa, you guys have an amazing
We're cleaning it up right
clubhouse up there.
We're cleaning it up.
Oh, you're gonna set it up really cute.
Yeah.
I like it.
Got the sleeping bag.
And this is, oh my heck, this is a mess. Whoa, it was organized. I swear, you guys, it was organized. See all these bins with labels? Yeah, it was perfectly organized at one point. Everything had its place. Not anymore. It's our little Barbie house. What, Brooklyn?
Let's begin the first competition!
When are we gonna decorate the Barbie house?
We should do it soon. I'm doing it before while it's super messy, and then eventually we'll get around to cleaning it.
Yeah, but I want Evie wants to do this.
Okay. Okay.
So we have to do it like a tiny one.
Okay. All right. My work here is done. My work here is done, guys. This is our playroom slash theater room. I'm going to give you a tour. This is like one of their favorite spaces. That top area is Brooklyn's area. She calls it her secret hideout. And then down there is Owen's little secret hideout. So I'm going to show you how they have decorated their little spaces, and they take a lot of pride in it. It makes me feel so good to have an organized space. Like, why does it feel so nice to have an organized room? Even if tomorrow it's going to get messed up. I don't know, something about organizing it, looking at it, taking it all in, and then you just gotta like walk away and let it go, because it is not gonna stay this way, right?
Welcome. I'm really glad you're here.
It's my favorite movie ever, Smallfoot.
This place exactly?
The secret headquarters of the SES.
The SES?
It's 3 letters. SES.
Stand for Smallfoot exists, suckers!
Do you like your hideout, Owen? Yeah, it's cool.
Can we come? What?
Under pressure. So here's a little ladder behind the little tree trunk so the kids can climb up. So here's Owen's little secret hideout. This is how I put it together. I like just clean, nothing out, but I'm going to show you how Owen likes to set up his little secret hideout. Okay, this is the way Owen prefers it to be set up. Got some snacks stashed in here. Here's where we put all the snacks. Got popcorn, some pirate booty, all the video games, some movies, the microwave for the popcorn, and some applesauce, water, and string cheese. Just some random snacks for the kids. Makes it convenient. Thanks for watching my channel. I'd love it if you subscribe. Check out all my other room makeover videos. I've got a whole playlist, so check it out. When you subscribe, make sure you click on the bell because that will notify you every time I upload a video. I upload a video every week, so thanks again, you guys. Love ya.